Vehicle speeding occurs every day in all parts of the city. Signalway Portable Speed Enforcement Camera is the best helper for the Traffic Enforcement Department to conduct speeding checks in random locations. The device can be carried away in a small case at any time. Assemble the bracket, camera, and radar in the case to get to work. The device has radar speed detection, license plate recognition, blacklist alarm, video viewing, picture output, etc. The device has a built-in battery module and can work wirelessly, with a maximum working time of up to 10 hours. The device has a Wi-Fi module, which can be wirelessly connected to the mobile phone. Through the self-developed app, inspector can view the real-time monitoring screen and vehicle data. Signalway Portable Speed Enforcement Camera can replace handheld speed guns to perfectly solve problems such as low precision in speed measurement, inability to recognize license plates, and lack of evidence of vehicle speeding. Signalway is committed to bringing you a safer traffic and smart city.